All right, so we're gonna use Pureology's moon comb to actually help us with a balayage technique. So I'm gonna take her section. I'm actually gonna weave out just some of her hair, move it to the side. I'm gonna use Pureology spray for a soft finish. That's actually gonna add some grit to her hair because it's pretty silky and fine. So I'll spray it, then I'll use my moon comb to lightly lace the hair up. That's gonna displace that section, and so when I put a foil underneath it, I'll use that comb, move it up here, and so then I can put the product right on. But that hairspray needs to have that grit so it doesn't come undone after I've laced it.